back on the bike. Screen check. Okay. We good? And first, second. You always got to keep your eyes around the corner. Fuck, even climbing a little bit is tough. My goal today is to just go to the road, come back down connector. I'll show you the flowies. Then I'll take off. Okay, we're at flat ground again. Ooh. Okay, we're at a fork. I don't know where that goes. That's the loop. It loops all the way around, comes back here. But if you take this going downhill, it's awesome. I'm not doing that today because then I'm going to have to commit and walk around, and I don't want to. So we're going straight. I almost went over my handlebars on the trail down there because I was just fully braking down the hill and just kind of floating over a bunch of rocks, and I was not stopping. Connector. This trail's nice and clear. It's yeah, look at this. Ooh, pretty. Oh, there we go. You can actually feel some wind on your face. You know, I don't even understand hydration. Like, I get it, but I don't get it. Because you have to drink salt, right? Sodium. But at the same time, it makes you thirsty. So it's like, well, how much water am I supposed to have? And you look for a guide, and you're like, well, how much water do I need? And it's just like, yes. I can feel when I'm pushing just a little too hard. I'm not going to be out here for that long though. See, this is the kind of a flowy section, but it's not downhill. So your speed is kind of just as fast as you can pedal. Whoops, I turned it way up. Okay, this is Beeline Road. Screen check. Okay, and back in. I'm just gonna see if I'm still actually recording. Yep. Shit, where's that circle? There we go. Going back this way is more fun than coming up. Seems like you can carry your speed a little better. See, I'm not even pedaling. And it seems like you can just cruise. Okay, now I'm pedaling. So I'm not even pedaling, like, this is awesome. Okay, this is the flow trail. It's nothing crazy. It's just a hell of a lot of fun. I just gotta watch out for people. Okay, screen's off. Ooh, and trees and stuff. Also gotta watch your speed through here. Was mud here last time. Whoop. And you gotta fit through the tree. That was easy. Okay, let's see if screen is off. Okay, good. Still got to brake before the turn, hard. Woo! Kicked me forwards a little more than I was comfortable with. Where that goes. Oh yeah, okay, I know where I am. That kind of swings around, and I could just turn around and walk up the hill here. You know what? No, I'll just go down. What am I doing? Okay, screen check. You're good? Okay. And now it's kind of just uphill. Oh, no more. Bow, 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 bow. Oh. I'm just crawling. Oh, fuck. I hate stopping, but I have to stop. Love, baby, don't hurt me no more. Yeah. Whew. Screen check. Yeah, I'm good. This is where I walk because it's uphill. My fat ass. Also, there's a lot of rocks. Okay, so left is out, right takes me to the wind phone. Screen check, good. I gotta take it easier. Yeah, it's time to walk. God damn. Alright, take my helmet off for a bit. I'll roll this when I come back. I got a white helmet thinking that it would reflect the heat. Maybe it does. But it don't seem like it. Yeah, I can start to feel my head. It feels like it's pressurized. The other day when I came back, I felt fine. But then 2 hours later, I had this creeping headache. And somehow the only thing that fixed it was taking a quick nap. And then I woke up and was like, damn, I feel like a new person. Advil didn't even work. Which usually does for me for headaches. Screen check. Yeah, we're still good. I think I've only been out for like an hour. I need like an ice pack in my helmet or something, just to stay cool. I don't know, maybe I'll dunk my head in cold water when I get home. Okay. I'm tired of walking. It's too goddamn slow. Check screen, we're good. Hands are getting sweaty. I feel like this was shorter last time. This part is pretty long. It's easier on the way back. Oh, we're here. Woo! Okay. Straight would take me to the road where I was. The wind phone. Okay, I need a drink. Let's see if we're still recording. Yeah. Where's that circle? There it is. Okay. I hope I'm not drinking like too much sodium. It's a plane. Couldn't hear it over the music. Okay. I paused. Oh, it's on again. I'm just trying to turn my music back on. It's not working. Come on. Play. There we go. And screen off. It didn't work. Screen off. There we go. Oh. Next time, I'm coming here at like 6 in the morning. Coming here this in the afternoon, this late. It's only like 3 or 4, but it's just too much. Yeah, there we go. Wind. There was a dude coming up here walking. Hey. Oh, the song it picked for me just doesn't match the vibe. Screen.